In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix a dead Fire TV Stick remote. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. I have my remote right here, but what I want to do is on the back, I want to slide down, and it's going to basically show both of my batteries, like so. And maybe if I've had them for a long time, I basically want to go ahead and replace them. It could be the case that one is out of battery or both. So go ahead and try and replace both and see if your remote works better. If that still doesn't work though, what you want to go ahead and do is go over to your phone and then download the Amazon Fire TV Stick app. So it's going to look something like this. It says Amazon Fire TV. This is the one you want directly from Amazon. Make sure you don't download a fake. And once you go ahead and download it and sign into your account, it's going to prompt you to your Fire TV Stick. And then I can basically control my TV using this. Now, if I want to go ahead and connect my other remote and reconnect it, I can do this using my phone, and I can control the Fire TV Stick using my phone as a remote for now. So all I want to go ahead and do is go over to my settings. It's going to look something like this. I'm going to see controllers and Bluetooth devices, and I'm going to see equipment control. Now what you want to do is go ahead and click on controllers and Bluetooth devices, go to Amazon Fire TV remotes, and then it's going to say add new remote. So you can go ahead and click on that. Then on your Fire TV remote, press and hold the home button for 10 seconds on the new remote. And then once it's discovered, it's going to be added to the list like so. And then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe, and check out our other Fire TV Stick videos on the channel.